H should come down at Mineola any minute. You can hear the cap car horn. It's a low blast. Right up there, knucklehead. Here behind me, I think there's a train. I'm not sure. You know what I mean? But there's another one. Oh shit, he's pissed off. He's pissed off.